As the snow melts this spring, you're probably seeing your house again for the first time this year. Don't like what you see? Then Champion Windows, Siding, and Patios could have the home improvement solutions you're looking for. I'm here with Mark Hudak at the Champion Windows showroom in Wauwatosa. It's spring. Well, the calendar says it is anyway. And it's about the time of year where you start to look at your house and think, I might need some improvements.
Well, you know, we get to go outside. You look at your home for maybe the first time this year, and you look at your windows, your siding, your roofing, and every aspect of the outside of your home. And Champion, we're the one company that can really take care of every aspect of the outside of your home.
So you're a one-stop shop for
Yes.
all of those things, roofing and windows and...
Siding, entry doors, pretty much every aspect of the home. I think one of the huge advantages of working with Champion is that we are the manufacturer of our products. So, and we could do a good job for a homeowner as, you know, M&D construction company. And, but we wouldn't be able to make our own products, right?
Right.
We'd have to go to the lumberyard, the builder supply to purchase things before we'd install them in a customer's home.
Right, all the middlemen.
Exactly. And middlemen, you know, unfortunately that adds costs and it divides the responsibility. With Champion, we call that single source responsibility. We help design it for you in your home. We manufacture it, we install it, we guarantee it and stand behind it 100%.
There's a comfort level in that.
Absolutely, and there's a difference in the manufacturing process as well from a typical manufacturing of a vinyl window, which tends to be hollow and maybe flexible. So it's not necessarily that strong or energy efficient. The frame system should be strong, energy efficient, and maintenance free. With Champion, you'll notice we actually have a very slim line system, but we also have polyurethane foam insulation injected into the frames for more energy efficiency. And I think you'll notice the difference in the strength of that window as well.
That's not bending.
Exactly. So that frame system for windows or doors or actually any of these home improvement products, I think the whole goal is to be strong, energy efficient, and maintenance free.
Well, you know, energy costs are not going down anytime soon, unless, you know, you're thinking about replacing your windows. That's a good way to kind of cut down on your energy costs.
Exactly. Make your home more energy efficient, and you don't have to send that money to the utility companies. And, you know, the spring cleaning, I guess, is one of the typical themes we experience this time of year. To be able to open and close a Champion window very easily, and when it comes to that cleaning aspect, I think that's one of the fun parts of a replacement window.
I guess if you have to clean the windows, you want it to be fun.
Well, or safe and easy at least, right?
Yes.
You know, you can quickly take care of, you know, homeowners that have storm windows, and then you have to clean the outside in between the glass. It can be very frustrating, whereas this can be a very safe and easy system. And because of the strength of that Champion system that with the insulated frames, I think one thing you'll notice is that you get dramatically more glass with the Champion window system.
Excellent. If you're thinking about home improvements or specifically adding new windows to your home, stop by Champion. Windows add energy savings and maintenance freedom. Sunrooms add comfort and peace of mind. And your family will love the extra living space. Okay, Mark, I've been eyeing up this sunroom here, and I've never really thought about adding a sunroom on. What are the reasons that you hear people are adding one of these?
You know, I used to think it was the bugs and the mosquitoes.
That would be what I would think.
Or maybe people needing just extra space to live, which is a huge reason.
Sure.
But the real #1 reason is health and peace of mind. Have you noticed if they're building a hospital, a retirement center, or healthcare facility, it seems like they're always building these with Mother Nature in mind. A view of the trees or a pond, a water feature, something
peaceful.
like that. You know why they do that? It promotes health and healing. And I think of if you had a sunroom like this where you could relax when you got home without the bugs or spraying yourself off, wouldn't that be a nice thing?
That would be incredible.
Yeah, promotes peace of mind, health, and healing, and you can relax when you get home. It's a beautiful room, shows how we can build it on a concrete foundation, a gliding patio door system on this side, and we also can do these on a solid knee wall system where you have a window system and wall section, but we design this with you in mind. Actually, you design it, we just help you with that aspect of the design system. I think you're going to like one of these other rooms that we have here on display. And Dorene, here we have another beautiful Champion sunroom on display here in our showroom. A little bit different here because we're showing this on an elevated foundation.
And you can do that.
Oh, absolutely. Champion takes care of this one. This is an insulated foundation rather than resting on concrete, so you can really get more comfort year-round. And plus, this has a beautiful glass knee wall system. We find when you have an elevated room, it's nice to really have a full view of everything that's outside, whether it be children, pets, or landscaping.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
You know, you have the ease of use with the glass and screen system. It is really a one-of-a-kind room.
And I noticed it had the Good Housekeeping seal.
You know, Good Housekeeping is very selective, and it's because this room is really engineered for Wisconsin weather. You have incredible engineering and structural strength, so you don't have to worry about snow loads pressing down, high wind, or other issues like that. This system has an R30 insulated roof and wall system. What that means for you, though, is comfort. You can use a separate heating and air conditioning system that Champion installs for you, so you don't have to use your home's heating and air conditioning. It's very energy efficient, maintenance free, and beautiful all year round.
Exactly. It looks beautiful, it's functional, so if you were thinking about adding a sunroom, or even if you weren't, you want to stop on down to Champion Windows, Roofs, Siding, and Sunrooms. It's great to be able to see all Champion products like windows, siding, roofing, and sunrooms all in one place. Champion has an interactive showroom that allows you to get hands-on with your new home improvements. Why should we choose Champion?
You know, it's because Champion has that A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, this proven track record, and unfortunately the home improvement industry doesn't necessarily do so well. U.S. statistics show that 80% of contractors that do a project today are out of business in less than 3 years.
Wow.
It's the biggest industry, according to the Better Business Bureau, for complaints and unhappy customers. This is the opportunity to have one company take care of every aspect of the job for you, from the design, manufacturing, installation, and service process. That's why Champion is #1 in America.
Absolutely. So if you're ready for those spring home remodeling projects, you can stop by Champion Showroom in Wauwatosa or give them a call.